Wow, that actually worked. My vision is literally better than when we started. What's up everybody, Lucas here. Do you want to get rid of those glasses? Do you want to get rid of those contacts? Do you want to do so naturally? Then follow along with me right now, and in only 5 minutes, we will be improving our eyesight using specific exercises in a specific order. But you gotta focus. With that being said, let's remove our contacts, let's remove our glasses. To get started, you want to relax. So let's start the timer and let's begin these exercises. We are going to take 3 deep breaths with our eyes closed as we breathe in, and as we exhale, we are going to blink and stare off into the distance. Yes, things might be blurry, but try to relax. Ready? Go. Exhale and blink. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale and blink. Look off into the distance. One more time, breathe in. All the way. Exhale and blink. Look off into the distance, relax. You're relaxed, you're loose. Now we're gonna warm the eyes up. You are going to lightly close your eyelids, and then you are going to look in a circular motion clockwise for 10 reps. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now blink, 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 blink. Relaxed. Open your eyes. All right, relax. Now close them. And we're gonna go 10 the other way, so counterclockwise. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blink, blink, blink. Open your eyes. Stare off into the distance. For this next one, what I want you to do is take your finger, you're gonna hold it out in front of your face, and you want to bring it right to where it begins to lose focus, right where it starts to get blurry. Stay focused on the finger. We're gonna do 20 reps from side to side. Go. 1, 2, stay focused on the finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay focused on the finger. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now bring the finger away, blink, and look off into the distance. Relax. This next exercise is known as skying in the natural vision enhancement world. You're gonna take one hand, place the palm firmly on your forehead, the other hand firmly on the neck. You're gonna push with both hands. As you look up at the sky, you're going to blink rapidly as you look side to side, keeping your hands stationary. Get in position. Go. Blink. Breathe. All right, now blink. Hands down. All right, now finally, what we're gonna do is we're going to open our eyes as wide as we can. We're gonna use our face muscles. We're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. Ready? Go. right, now close your eyes tightly, as tight as you can, using your face muscles. Hold it for 10 seconds. Now, loosen your face muscles, but keep your eyelids closed. Okay, now breathe in through the nose, look up, look down, look all around, freestyle with your eyes, loosen them up. Looking all over, and on the exhale, roll out, and I blink. And I relax and look into the distance. Wow, that actually worked. I would say it's about like a quarter of a point better. So if you were -3s like me, I'm -3s in both eyes. I'd say I'm about a -275 right now. Not bad for 5 minutes. Let me know what you guys thought of this video in the comments. Let me know how your vision improved. If you're interested in improving more skills, learning more things in only 5 minutes or less, check out my Everything in 5 Minutes playlist. Link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.